I'm not showing you the wires. We're not focusing on that. I haven't pulled out that much bolts yet, right? That particular bolt there I pulled, right? That's what a bolt I removed. This is not what I did. That's not tied back in over there. That's not tied in. And that's why the master basically collapsed. They left most of the hardware and bolts out. So this thing is bent now. That's why the pedal's laying. Can you see how funny the pedal's laying? This pedal should be here. You understand? This is where the pedal ends. This whole thing must still come this way. But I gotta pull it out now. It's why we investigate and find why, how. En kan jy sien hoe gebuig is hy? Ja. Oh well. Let's pull it. Yeah, that's the pedal being welded over there. And I'll wait for it basically. Local small businesses, that's what we support. Always. Today they're making custom throttle bodies, welding up heads for modifications. Daar staan hulle racekar ook aan buitekant. Pedal's not even tied yet. It's just slid up there. And I don't even know if you can see all the welding. I should have recorded this thing now before I fitted it. But sy's omtrent geweld, né? Sy's both sides geweld. Soos julle kan sien, iemand hy tab daar, so daar stick welding uit daar, so hy's regtig gereinforced. Should have filmed it though. But anyone can feel free to remove it afterwards. And feel free to inspect that welding. I trust my welder and my tooling company that I use. See how it's supposed to lay? All the bolts are supposed to go straight up. And then also this little bracket that's laying over here is a secondary reinforcement. We're gonna put all of her bolts back, né? Soos julle kan sien, sy's nog los. En kyk how klaar hoe naby lê die pedal. Do you see that's uniform already? That's how it's supposed to lay, né? That's how the pedal's supposed to lay. Uniform, in a line. And not off to the side there over there. As julle daai ander video check, gaan julle sien die pedal lê nie hierso nie, hy lê daarso. The purpose of the reinforcement is to keep it where it is. You're supposed to replace the pedal box, no? If I do crack, you're supposed to buy a new one and replace it. But due to us being intelligent in South Africa and also being cheap, we've learned that you can weld the pedal box up.